Hi, my name's Thomas Gous. I'm an engineer at Redline. I do a lot of designing of machine parts and sheet metal work and a lot of data reviewing for the company for the race cars. Redline Motorsport is a company that builds and runs Dakar-style rally raid race cars. I say Dakar-style because it's the biggest event in our sport and it's probably the most well-known for our sport.
A big challenge we experienced here at Redline was file management and revision control. It was done entirely manually between the two of us in the engineering department. It would be very difficult to pass that file back and forth. The use of SOLIDWORKS PDM has streamlined that entire process. It makes our lives in the engineering department simpler and smoother.
MECAD helped us implement the PDM QuickStart beginning of this year, so January 2026. Every company being different, Redline had to adapt the QuickStart to their liking, and MECAD was there to assist with whatever we needed. And the help we received from the technical team have just been phenomenal.